How you going, guys? My name is Lee.
I'm Chris.
We're here at Sunny Coast M4A1 for another Gel Blaster review video. On today's episode, looking very forward to this one, Chris. We have got upgraded wells, guys. This thing is beautiful, V4 wells. So let's get into the unboxing of this brand new blaster.
Okay guys, so what we get in the box is we get the beautiful Wells V4, Wells mag, 11 volt charger, 11 volt battery. You got your black flash suppressor and 1000 gels, and last but not least, safety glasses.
Safety glasses,
most
guys.
important of all. As you see, me and Lee always wearing our safety glasses even in the shop, so
super important.
Safety's always first. And we'll pass you over to Lee. Lee's going to give us a rundown on what exactly it is in the V4.
So guys, quick overview with this blaster here. We've been hanging for this one for a long time. Basically the same as your Wells V3, except this one here, as you can see inside, we have got the metal Wells gearbox. So this one is equipped straight out of the box, metal gearbox case, metal gears. It has the upgraded cylinder head with nozzle. It also has an upgraded piston, nylon piston metal rack. It's a blue SHS style with upgraded piston head, upgraded spring. Yeah, it's running the black V2 style motor, so it does run nicely on the 7 volt, but this blaster also comes with an 11 volt straight out of the box with charger to suit. Blaster also comes with a aluminium inner barrel, aluminium outer barrel, nylon front fishbone, nylon receiver, nylon handle on the top. This blaster does have an upgrade in the upper rail. It is aluminium, guys, so another upgrade there. Threaded front end for your muzzle, which is left hand thread. Also does have a little grub screw underneath, guys, so make sure you undo that grub screw before you try and twist that one off, otherwise you're gonna
shred the end for you.
Shred that thread.
Metal buffer tube.
Rear end of the blaster, metal buffer tube. Very nice addition there, guys. So this blaster is shooting 280 FPS to 300 FPS. Very nice, straight out of the box, guys. Very nice setup with 11 volts. Basically head on down to the field, you're going to be quite competitive straight out of the box.
Nothing's matched it so far.
Yeah, everybody that shoots this blaster in person, very addicted to it instantly. Has a very nice feel.
Not to buy.
Nice feel, nice sound. Yeah, great blaster. But guys, we're going to move on into one of our favorite things. We like to rate our blasters over 4 categories, and out of 10 we'll give them a score.
Yep.
First up on the list, Chris, we're going to have looks.
Okay.
Pass this bad boy over to yourself.
So,
what are you thinking, Chris?
Well, I love the AR-15 platform, or M4, whatever you want to call it.
Yep.
So I'm always going to give this a 9 out of 10 for looks.
Yep.
My favourite by far, yeah, definitely a 9 out of 10 for looks.
Yep.
I like the metal outer barrel and the metal buffer tube. So it's just a really good add-on for it. I have one myself personally, and yeah, these are brilliant.
Yep. And for myself as well, guys, being an M4 out of the box, I do heavily like the M4 variant, so I'm going to give this one a solid 7 for myself. They do look nice. If you look behind us, I'm pretty sure the majority of our own personal blasters are M4s, so yeah, we're a little bit biased towards those. Moving on to the next is going to be firepower. Chris, what do you reckon?
Just getting rated high again, guys.
Yeah.
It's definitely, for me, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Been around all the blasters that come out, and
Yep.
this one is just nothing compares to it at the moment.
Yeah, and this is out of the box as well. Again,
Yeah,
guys, we'll keep going back to that. Out of the box, 11
It's
volt.
game ready out of the box.
Yep.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, so what would you rate it?
Definitely 9 out of 10 again.
9. A 9, yep. And for myself, guys, 11 volt with that firepower, FBS wise, yeah, I'll give it a solid 9 also.
Yeah.
Very hard to beat out of the box.
Yeah.
Alloy barrel again, very nice. Modability. It's a V2. What are you rating it, Chris?
Well, the fact that we've already got the upgraded metal gearbox.
Yep.
And it is a Wells, so they're really good to work on. So I'm
Yep.
going to give it a 9 out of 10 again.
Yep.
And yeah, I just, you know, the upgrades, you're looking at a spring maybe, or maybe change the motor or a different piston rack. You know, it's up to you, isn't it, really, in the end of the day,
Yeah,
what
yeah.
you want to do to it.
Oh, for sure.
And it's all there to be done. So yeah, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10, guys, again.
Yep. For myself, guys, modability, V2, you can do whatever you like to it. Excellent base. Myself personally, only thing I can really think about that would need improving, maybe a stronger set of gears and a faster motor. All depending. As it is, guys, this thing is going to run all day long. Very nice, but if you are looking to bring that FPS even higher and that rate of fire, those pot metal gears,
They're not going to last.
well, depending how you use it. So that's all I can really think about, because everything else is pretty damn solid. I'm still yet to blow one of these gearboxes up, and I have tried, guys, so they are very decent.
Yep.
Unless you're going quite silly, which is M160 and above, which majority of people don't go anywhere near that kind of spring size.
It's going to break your blaster.
Yeah, they are definitely great. So yeah, I give it a solid 9 again.
Yep.
Or 10. I'll go with a 10.
Okay, cool.
All right, and last one, guys, durability. What are you thinking, Chris?
Having using this blaster at Twin Waters a fair bit, I'm definitely going to go with 9 again.
Yep.
I just can't fault this gel blaster, guys. I wouldn't like to fall on it running at high speed, but I still think it will come off still working. And okay, yeah, I just can't fault it, so I'm going to go 9 out of 10 again. All around 9 out of 10 in my eyes.
Yeah, and for a standard blaster, guys, for myself, I'm going to rate it pretty high. The only thing I think that you could improve on is the front end with your fishbone setup, as these are the nylon setup.
We have a metal one we sell too.
You can put the metal setups on there. It's going to be a little bit stronger again. They do have the alloy delta ring.
Yep.
So yeah, it will be nice and solid once that's improved. Otherwise, I give it a solid 8. Solid 8. Everything internally is 10 out of 10. Just externally, I think you could do a little bit more.
A little bit more you can do, yeah.
Yeah, but other than that, guys, I mean, that's it. That concludes our categories. In conclusion, in general, great blaster, guys. Definitely get into one of our stores.
Yeah.
14 stores I think we are up to at the moment now, guys. So
as I said, blink, and then one will be in your neighbourhood. So
we've got M4A1 gelblaster.com.au. I mean, sorry, .com. Anything over $30 is free shipping. Sunny Coast, The Rocks, Morayfield, Toowoomba, Bundaberg, South Australia. There's just so many, guys. We'll list them all. They'll all be all over the screen. Around 14 shops.
Yep.
Get on down, check them out in person. Definitely don't want to miss out on this blaster. We are selling these extremely fast.
if you want to start at the top of the spectrum, this is the one to go with.
280 FPS plus straight out of the box. If you're using the Armatech Milkies from Ozgel, you're going to bump that FPS up a little bit more as well. We've seen them sitting right on that 300 FPS, so definitely one you don't want to miss out on. Again, guys, before we leave you, always remember your eye protection, stay safe, stop and think before you go out into the public. Just be mindful of the other people around you. We know these are toys, they may not.
You can't go walking down the road with your gel blaster past the cafes and stuff.
That's right.
Yeah.
So use your brains, guys, stop and think when it comes to anything with gel blasters, and also remember to charge your LiPo batteries safely. Use a LiPo safe bag to store your batteries in once you've charged them. Don't leave them unattended. Definitely don't leave your charger on overnight. And if you can, try and charge your batteries on a concrete surface or a tiled surface, just so if something does happen, worst case, say your battery explodes, catches fire,
it's going to burn up on the tile.
on the carpet, it's going to catch fire. On the tiles, you'll be fine. Other than that, guys, we'll see you next time on another blaster review video. Lee,
Chris,
signing off from Sunny Coast M4A1. Cheers.